Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join the egg hunt event and grow a garden game of Roblox new Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the events from the Easter update and grow a garden, the egg hunt event. And if you want to join the event, you can go to this bunny, Boppy, and you can monitor the timer right here. And the egg hunt is ready in a few seconds. Okay, when the event is ready, you can immediately join. Okay, it's ready to start, and I'm going to talk to this bunny and start the egg hunt. And you need to find a total of 10 eggs, and it will be spreaded on the map. So we need to find them, and the location will be different. Okay, I found my first egg and just click on collect, and yeah, you just need to move around or look around to find the egg. It can be anywhere guys. We need to find 10 egg. All right, this is the second egg. And I think this is the egg. Okay, let's just go to this egg, this one, and this one. Okay, you need to be really careful, guys. This one as well. All right, I found 9 eggs, and this is the last egg. Okay, and I got chocolate sprinklers. Okay, after you found 10 eggs, you will get special rewards. Okay, guys, and that's how you can join the egg hunt event and grow a garden game of Roblox new Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.